What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on our type bar today and swapping out that old nasty catless downpipe to a brand new catted downpipe. This is the PRL, I think it's PLM. Was it PLM or PRL? To be honest, I totally forgot. We had this downpipe for almost 2 months now. I think it's, okay, we'll put the text here, okay, if I remember correctly. It's one, because they both sound really familiar. So this is a catted, I believe it's a 100 cell downpipe. So this will eliminate the smell because the type bar right now smells like ass. Like it just, after 5 minutes of driving, the exhaust fumes coming in, I'm getting a headache, Jerry gets a headache, everyone gets a headache. So we don't even want to touch the car right now. Last week when we picked up our friend's type bar, it was a fun drive for 5 minutes and literally that's it. So today, Kevin from Elite Wraps is gonna be installing this. If you guys don't know, Elite Wraps, they do not only alignments now, you know, we do wraps and all that good stuff, but Kevin does a lot of performance and installation for parts like this. So if you're interested, book an appointment with him because, you know, he's the best. Anyways, as you can see from the back, guys, we have a new spoiler, okay? So this is a gift from one of my friends. It's a spoon style wing. He happened to be visiting. He's like, yo, I got a wing for you guys. So shout out to my friend David for hooking it up. So we just test fit it. We're actually making our own wing too, but his came kind of damaged. It came cracked here, it came cracked there. I know this is not an OEM spoon, so this is spoon style wing, but the fitment is okay. I feel like it's really flimsy. So on the middle part of the deck. So I don't know, Jerry saying we were driving and it's probably split, huh? I think it'll probably split open because, oh yeah, you can check on this side. It's literally it's split all over. I don't know what happened. He said he got damaged when he got it shipped here. But anyways, so this wing looks pretty cool. I like the stands. We're actually making our own wing too, two versions, a V2 and a V3. And I can't disclose any information right now, but it's gonna be way more aggressive than this. And Jerry saw it too, looks pretty sick, pretty sick. All right guys, so here is the FK8 catless downpipe. Couple things to notice here, we didn't really talk about last time is, so this O2 sensor right here, it kind of touches this area, so we couldn't put the heat shield back, which I forgot to bring the heat shield again today. So as you can see, this is an FK setting. There's a spot on the bottom that doesn't mount to the bracket anymore because obviously it's made for FK8, but a lot of people do retrofit it to make it fit. Obviously catless, you get more power and all that good stuff, but it just smells so damn bad. So with today's downpipe, which is the PLM, yep, so this is a PLM downpipe. So with theirs, the fitment should be better. I think the placement looks similar. This is more straight up. I don't know. We're gonna find out, guys. I think it looks like it'll clear more, but it looks very similar. As you can see, like the placements of these two brackets right here, and then the O2 right here, and then you have these two and this one right here. But like I said, the only difference is being catted. So catted should eliminate check engine light. You shouldn't have any check engine light. But regardless, we're gonna tune the car anyway, so it's good to have that power anyways. But the smell and the sound is gonna change and feel dramatically. So we're gonna get this car in the lift, and then he's working on the car right now, but he's gonna start prepping on this. So it's gonna be a couple bolts on the bottom, couple bolts on top, and then we're gonna swap this on. Also, we're gonna put back our new V2 lip, which I'll update you guys in a second. All right guys, so these are the two downpipes, the FK8, which is the catless, and then the way you can tell, guys, if you don't know, is this right here. So if you look through inside, it's sharp as f. And then it's pretty hollow, so there's no filters, right? So that's why it's a lot of people that run catless is super loud. And then if you look through the catted, there's actually a filter in here, so that will pretty much restrict most of the sound and the smell. So which is the thing that we don't want, is the freaking smell. So all I gotta do is swap over the O2 sensors and plug everything back in. There's an O2 spacer as well. All right guys, while we wait for Jerry to readjust the O2 spacer, because the other sensor on the bottom doesn't fit. So this actually goes on the bottom to extend it up to get the sensor in. Which makes sense. So, but this is what happens when you don't have instructions. So we just have to kind of work on it. So anyways, guys, so this is our new V2 lip, which we're supposed to introduce last time, but we didn't have time. But it's the same as the current V2, well, not same, it's the updated V2 lip. The old V2 lip, it doesn't require actually it doesn't use the OEM holes. So now we can use OEM holes, 3M double-sided tape, and a self-tapper. So, and we also beef up the material a little bit stronger because a lot of you guys are breaking it. Like I said, we don't want to make it too strong where it's gonna rip off your tabs, and that's gonna be really expensive. So you'd rather break a $100 lip, you know, versus breaking your whole bumper. So let me just show you guys the difference real quick. So the V2s now, they have the OEM slits over here. The 3M tape is pre-applied, so you are good to go. You don't need 3M tape anymore. And then same. All right guys, so in the package, you get your lip, obviously, 3 pieces. We don't do 1 piece because if you break 3 pieces, it's easy to replace. You get your hardware, which is the self-tapping screws, and then the small silver screws to connect them. So I just connect them, clean the bottom of the car, which we're gonna do right now, and the peel 3M tape off, slap it on, and then we're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now. The car is naked right now, and on the last video, we're supposed to put on a new V3 lip. We're gonna wait in the meantime because for today's video, I like to look at the car looking a little bit better. So let's go ahead and put this together. All right guys, it clears. So it looked like the O2 spacer actually goes on the bottom to give that cable an extra extension, and there you go. So if anyone interested in this downpipe, comment downpipe below, and then we'll give it to one of you lucky followers. Yeah, I'll definitely work on an FK8, but on an FL5, I mean, it works. Yeah. If you're willing to sacrifice your brain cells, yeah, 100%. You can slap this on and it'll sound super loud, and you know, it'll work. But like I said, it does smell really, really bad, but it works. That scares me every single time he starts it up. Catted downpipe with our F1 valve catback system. Like I said, this should eliminate all the smell and take off the raspiness that we've been getting with the callus downpipe. But enjoy this cold start, enjoy some pulls, some flybys, and then thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that sub button, like this video, share this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.